Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts! Do you have an old table that's lost its charm? Don't replace it. Give it a fresh, stylish makeover with tile stickers. This project is perfect for beginners and seasoned DIYers alike. We'll transform that tired table into a stunning centerpiece. Let's dive in. Before we dive into this fun and creative DIY project, let's take a moment to gather all the tools and materials you'll need. Preparation is the key to a smooth and enjoyable experience, and having everything at your fingertips will help you stay focused and stress-free as you work. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, organizing your supplies ahead of time will make the process much more efficient and enjoyable. Having your supplies ready not only saves you time, but also helps you avoid unnecessary interruptions. Imagine being in the middle of your project and realizing you're missing a crucial tool. No one wants to pause their creative flow for a last-minute trip to the store. So let's make sure you have everything you need right from the start. Here's a comprehensive list of what you'll want to have on hand for this project. First and foremost, you'll need peel and stick tile stickers. These are the stars of our project, and they come in a wide variety of styles, patterns, and colors. Take your time to choose a design that matches your personal taste and complements your space. Whether you prefer bold geometric patterns, classic subway tiles, or something whimsical and colorful, there's a sticker out there for you. Make sure to check the size of the stickers and compare them to your table's surface area. This will help you avoid any surprises and ensure a perfect fit. Next, grab a measuring tape. Accurate measurements are absolutely essential for achieving a professional-looking result. Use the tape to measure the length and width of your table, as well as any edges or corners you'll need to cover. Jot down these measurements so you can cut your stickers to the perfect size. Taking a few extra minutes to measure carefully will save you a lot of hassle later on and help you avoid wasting materials. You'll also need a pair of sharp scissors or a utility knife. These tools are essential for cutting your tile stickers to fit around edges, corners, or any unique shapes on your table. A sharp blade will give you clean, precise cuts, which is important for a polished finish. If you're working with thicker stickers, a utility knife might be easier to handle, but scissors work great for most standard peel and stick tiles. To ensure your stickers adhere smoothly and look flawless, have a smoothing tool on hand. This could be a tool specifically designed for applying decals, or you can simply use a sturdy credit card. The goal is to press out any air bubbles and make sure the stickers lay flat against the surface. Taking your time with this step will make a big difference in the final appearance of your project. Don't forget your cleaning supplies. A clean surface is absolutely crucial for proper adhesion. Use a gentle cleaner and a lint-free cloth to wipe down your table before you start. Remove any dust, grease, or debris, and let the surface dry completely. This simple step will help your stickers stick better and last longer. For those who want to go the extra mile, consider picking up a sealer. Applying a clear sealer over your finished stickers can add an extra layer of protection, making your table more durable and resistant to spills or scratches. You might also want a pencil and ruler for marking precise measurements and cutting lines. These simple tools can help you achieve a neat, professional look, especially if you're working with intricate patterns or tight spaces. And here's a pro tip. When shopping for tile stickers, always look for high-quality options with a strong adhesive backing. Cheaper stickers might save you a few dollars up front, but they can peel, bubble, or fade over time. Investing in quality materials will ensure your project looks great and stands the test of time. Take a moment to read reviews or ask for recommendations if you're unsure which brand to choose. With all your tools and materials ready, you're set up for success and ready to transform your table into a stunning piece of decor. A clean surface is essential for the stickers to adhere properly. Let's get your table prepped and ready. Clean the table by wiping it down thoroughly with a damp cloth and mild cleaner. Make sure you remove all dust, dirt, and grime. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Pro tip: if your table has any rough spots or imperfections, lightly sand them down for a smoother finish. Now comes the fun part: designing your tile layout. This is where your creativity can really shine, and you get to make your table truly unique. Whether you're aiming for a classic, symmetrical look or something more eclectic and playful, the design phase is your opportunity to experiment and see what feels right for your space. Don't rush this process, enjoy it. Think about the colors, patterns, and overall vibe you want to achieve. Do you want a bold statement piece or something subtle that blends in with your existing decor? The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination guide you. Take your time with this step to ensure you love the final result. Try arranging your tile samples in different ways, swapping out colors or patterns until you find a combination that excites you. Sometimes, stepping back and looking at your layout from a distance can help you see the bigger picture and notice things you might miss up close. If you're feeling unsure, snap a few photos of your options and compare them side by side. This can help you make a confident decision before you commit to sticking anything down. Measure your tabletop carefully, checking both the length and width. Accurate measurements are crucial for a polished, professional-looking result. Use a tape measure or ruler to get the exact dimensions of your table and write them down so you don't forget. This will help you determine how many tiles you'll need and how they'll fit together. Remember to account for any edges or corners, as these areas might require special attention or smaller pieces. Plan your layout by using a pencil and ruler to lightly mark the desired placement of your tile stickers. Drawing a light grid or outline on your tabletop will act as a helpful guide when it's time to apply the tiles. This step is especially important if you want your tiles to be perfectly straight and evenly spaced. Take your time to double-check your lines and make sure everything is aligned. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just erase and try again until you're happy with the layout. This will help you visualize the finished look and make adjustments as needed. Sometimes what looks good in your head might need a little tweaking once you see it mapped out on the table. Don't be afraid to move things around, erase marks, or try a completely different arrangement. The goal is to create a design that you'll love every time you see it. Pro tip: if you're using different tile patterns, lay them out on the table first to create your desired design before sticking them down. Mixing and matching patterns can add a lot of personality and interest to your table, but it's important to see how they interact before making anything permanent. Play around with different combinations and don't be afraid to get creative. Once you're satisfied with your layout, you'll be ready to move on to the next step with confidence. Now that you've mapped out your design and gathered all your materials, it's finally time for the fun part: applying your tile stickers. This is where your vision starts to come to life, transforming an ordinary surface into something truly eye-catching and unique. Whether you're updating an old table, giving your kitchen backsplash a facelift, or adding a pop of color to a plain piece of furniture, these steps will help you get a flawless, professional-looking result. Before you start, make sure your surface is clean, dry, and free of dust or grease. Wipe it down with a damp cloth and let it dry completely. This will help the stickers adhere better and last longer. Once your surface is ready, carefully peel the backing off a tile sticker, starting from one corner. Take your time with this step. If you rush, you might accidentally crease or stretch the sticker, which can make it harder to apply smoothly. Next, align the sticker with your marked guidelines or measurements. If you've drawn light pencil lines or used painter's tape as a guide, this is the moment to use them. Hold the sticker just above the surface and double-check your placement before pressing it down. Once you're sure it's lined up, gently press the sticker onto the table surface, starting from one edge and working your way across. This helps prevent wrinkles and ensures a neat, even application. If you notice the sticker isn't quite straight, don't worry. Most tile stickers are repositionable for a short time, so you can gently lift and adjust them as needed. Once you're happy with the placement, use a smoothing tool, a plastic scraper, or even a credit card to press the sticker down firmly. Start in the center and work your way outwards, pushing out any air bubbles as you go. This step is key for getting that seamless, professional look. Take your time and be thorough. Here's a pro tip: work in small sections, applying just a few stickers at a time. This makes the process much more manageable, especially if you're working on a large surface or a complex pattern. It also gives you a chance to step back and check your progress, making sure everything is lining up the way you want. If you start to feel tired or rushed, take a short break. Fresh eyes and steady hands make a big difference. By working methodically and paying attention to the details, you'll end up with a smooth, bubble-free finish that looks amazing. Stand back and admire your handiwork. You've just given your space a whole new look with minimal effort and maximum impact. Now you're ready to move on to the next step or simply enjoy your refreshed, stylish surface. Corners and intricate patterns might seem tricky, but with a little patience, you'll conquer them like a pro. For corners, measure and cut the tile sticker to fit snugly. Use your utility knife for precise cuts. If your design includes intricate patterns, just take your time aligning and applying each sticker carefully. And hey, pro tip! If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can gently peel off the sticker and reapply. You can actually reposition the stickers a few times before the adhesive sets firmly. While it's totally optional, sealing your tile stickers provides extra durability and a polished look. First, select a sealer that's compatible with your chosen tile stickers. Then, apply the sealer evenly over the stickers, making sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to allow the sealer to dry completely before using your newly transformed table. Oh, and here's a pro tip. A polyurethane sealer provides excellent protection against spills and scratches. Congratulations, your table is now a work of art. Let's style it to perfection. You can add a centerpiece. A vase with fresh flowers, a stack of books, or a decorative tray can instantly elevate your table's style. Try playing with textures by incorporating different elements like placemats, coasters, or a table runner to create some visual interest. And don't forget to coordinate with your decor by choosing colors and patterns that complement your existing furniture and decor. You did it! You've successfully transformed your old table into a stylish statement piece. Now it's time to share your creativity with the world. Don't be shy. Show off your handiwork. Take photos and share your stunning table makeover with friends and family. You might even inspire them to try this project themselves. If you have any questions or want to share your own creative twists on this project, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy DIYing!